Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons and I'm back. Y'all, Dollar General has me working some real overtime this week because we now have a run glitch deal. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on at this point. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video and it is absolutely free. And you know what else is free? Hitting that thumbs up button and leaving a smile down in the comment section below. Those are two quick and easy ways that y'all can help your girl out. So go ahead and subscribe, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, now before we get into the run glitch deal, while I have everybody's attention, keep in mind that today is Sunday, March the 5th, and this is the last day of the Dollar General clearance event, but it's going to be a great day because we will have new digital coupons here in just a couple of hours, so make sure that y'all stay tuned because I will have the new coupons and glitches video up next. Now, after you guys watch this run glitch deal video, you're still going to have a couple of hours before Dollar General opens up. So, just in case you missed it, late last night, I did upload my Dollar General clearance event haul round 2. In that video, I talk about some new information, some things that you might be forgetting about. Plus, I go over my experience at the Dollar General clearance event and share with you all my hauls. Now, I had an absolute time trying to get that video to upload yesterday. I do not know why. It took forever. I honestly think my internet was just like, girl, I'm done working overtime. I quit. So it was out, wasn't working, took me forever to get it uploaded. It finally got done late last night around 12 o'clock. And typically, when I upload videos really late in the day like that, they tend to not do as well. So, like I said, you guys have a couple of hours before Dollar General opens up their doors. And you're going to have a couple of hours before the new coupons and glitches video is out. So, do your girl a favor, go back and check out that video if you haven't already. I'm going to have it linked for you right down below in the pinned comment. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and talk about this run glitch deal. Now, number one, remember that glitches can end at any time. They are a glitch in the system, so Dollar General can fix it, they can take it away, they can do whatever they want because this is a glitch. It is not supposed to happen. Now, this type of glitch I personally have never seen happen before at Dollar General. I'm sure it's happened, but I just haven't caught it or didn't know about it. But basically, we have a sale price glitch, and I found out about this really late last night after I had uploaded my round 2 clearance event haul video. I was checking my emails, and an awesome Craz-E couponer let me in on what was going on. So I'm not quite sure when this glitch started, but I can tell you all that I put in my order around 12:30 last night, and it is still the same this morning. So here we go. We have Ajax dish liquid on sale this week for $1.25. If you take a look at the ad this morning, it says Ajax dish liquid sale $1, final price with coupon, but they're on sale for $1.25 without the coupon. And this is on the 12.4 ounce bottles, assorted scents. Now, I know it doesn't make sense just quite yet, but I promise it will here in just a few minutes. But I wanted to go ahead and stop right here and let everybody know that this is going to be a pickup order glitch. Plus, if you still have your digital 5 off $25 coupon, we're going to go ahead and use that and take advantage of the additional savings. Now, we also still have instant savings on Ajax, Palmolive, Suavitel, Colgate, Irish Spring, and soft soap products. I'm sure there's a few more that I'm missing in there, but we still have instant savings for when you spend $10 on those items, you're going to instantly save $3. All right, that instant savings ends on March the 11th. So, here's the glitch. We have the 90 fluid ounce bottles of Ajax dish liquid, normally priced at $6.35. These are ringing up at $1.25. Now remember, if you go back and check out the ad, the $1.25 sale price is only supposed to be on the really small little bottles. But it is showing up for the 90 fluid ounce bottles of Ajax dish soap, as well as the 52 ounce bottles of Ajax dish soap. Now these are normally priced at $4.25. Now, there's a couple of different ways that y'all can do this deal. Number one, you can just add a bunch to your cart, get to the total that you want, and pay that total. Here's what I did. I added 20 to my cart. That got me up to $25, all right? Then my 5 off $25 digital came off, plus the 3 off 10 instant savings. The instant savings, unfortunately, it is not doubling up right now, but it did take off a total of $8. That left me paying $17 for 20 bottles, making those just 85 cents each. Now, the 90 fluid ounce bottles will for sure be the first to go. So go ahead and add however many your store has of those, and then continue on with the 52 fluid ounce bottles. All right, so you guys can mix and match, and there are, I believe, 3 different scents of the 52 ounce bottles. Now, I do want to go ahead and point out that the instant savings is glitching as well with this transaction, because typically you would have to have your subtotal at $28 in order for that $3 in instant savings to come off and the 5 off $25 coupon to still work. And I want to go ahead and make that really clear to you all, because I just talked about this in my Dollar General clearance event haul round 2 video. So please do not get this confused. This is a glitch on multiple levels. So this is glitching with the instant savings. You only have to have your subtotal at $25, and the $3 in instant savings is coming off with the 5 off $25 digital coupon. Now, like I said, there's a couple of different ways that y'all can do this deal, and I know that a lot of us have already used that 5 off $25 digital coupon on the clearance event, because, hey, it has been absolutely epic. So if you already used your digital 5 off $25 coupon, go ahead and add 8. And again, you can mix and match with the different scents and sizes. They are all priced at $1.25, so it's going to come out the same. So if you pick up a total of 8, that is going to get us to our $10 subtotal for that $3 in instant savings to come off. And that is going to leave you paying just $7 for 8 of the big bottles of Ajax dish soap. So that makes those just 87 cents each. Now, like I said, this is a run glitch deal, and I went ahead and did this as a pickup order. I'm not sure if this is going to work in store or not. We're just going to have to wait until the doors open to see, but we've still got a few hours until that happens. So go ahead and put in a couple of pickup orders, but I want you guys to keep in mind that the employees can cancel pickup orders. Now, obviously, it is still really early, and Dollar General has not opened up their doors just yet, so I can't even go out and pick up my pickup order. But I would recommend, if you guys have a store in your area where the employees are really nice and they like seeing people save money, I would recommend that you put in your pickup order for that specific store. Because in the past, when we have had these run glitch deals that we have to put in as pickup orders, like for instance, we've had some on cereal, we've had some on drinks, things like that. Unfortunately, some of the employees just aren't down with the glitches, so they will just go ahead and cancel that order and be like, you know, tough luck, it's not happening here. Alright, so there you have it on our run glitch deal. Now, like I said, this is a pickup order only glitch as of right now. But once I go into the store to pick up my pickup order, I will try out a few things at the registers to see if these items are going to be ringing up at $1.25 at the registers. So I will update you guys as soon as I have more information. So y'all make sure that you have your notifications turned on, and always check out the pinned comment down below, because even if I upload a second video with a whole update on it, I will also update you guys in the pinned comment of this video. Alright guys, that's going to be it for me for now. So y'all go ahead and load up those carts and put in those pickup orders. And like I said, as soon as I get my pickup order in my hand and try out a couple of things at Dollar General, I will update you guys. So before you go, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, turn on those notifications, and then do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave a smile down in the comment section below. Remember that you guys hold the power, and you all helped me get one of my videos up over 10,000 views, and I am so super excited about that. So let's see where we can get this video, y'all. Hit that thumbs up, leave a comment, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.